Today we are awarding the ATC's Welding 2 class a check for $1,000 through our Neighborhood Beautification Grants Program. It's a grant that we've given out to community groups for many years to improve the Denton community.
We just got a check from Keep Denton Beautiful, and it is to make a large sculpture for the front of the ATC. Our students are doing it as a legacy project, and we wanted it to represent what the ATC houses here and what this building is. And so we wanted to have a little bit of each one of the programs on the sculpture. And so a turtle made sense to us because it has the different pieces of the shell, and so the different pieces can each have an image that represents something here at the school.
What's left to do to finish it?
We got to put a couple more symbols onto the shell pieces for the representing the programs here, and then we're gonna cut it out and then put it together. We got a lot of work to do, and I feel like we can do it. I got a good team here.
Our board was excited about this because it was different. It was something that we haven't seen a lot of in the past, specifically for this grant. It was student initiated, which was also very attractive to our board as well. It's with a partner, DISD, that we've worked with for many, many years. So I think all of those things combined to make a really good project. At the end of the day, it fits not only in the KDB mission of making Denton more clean and beautiful, but I mean, it's just this very tangible thing that's going to be seen and make the campus more beautiful, make Denton more beautiful. So we really like that as well.